Okay guys, I want to also talk about our on-wall control. As you can see from here, I can navigate, turn off the foyer. As you can see, I can turn on foyer, turn off foyer, turn on chandelier, turn it off, turn on the spotlight for the living room, turn it off. I can control the curtain. As you can see, the curtain is currently closed. I can click open, and by the time I click open, you can see the curtains are opening. Good, that is smooth. For you to have a beautiful, nice view of the landscape that has been done by Toolbox. And you can furthermore decide to close I can decide to close the curtain to the particular percentage that I want it. If I want to just close to 19%, you'll notice the curtain will close and stop at 19%. I can just close everything. All right.